Water.
Вода.
Water.
She drinks water every morning.
Она пьет воду каждое утро.
She drinks water every morning.
Is the water cold?
Вода холодная.
Is the water cold?
I don't drink water at night.
Я не пью воду ночью.
I don't drink water at night.
Grow.
Расти.
Grow.
Trees grow in the forest.
Деревья растут в лесу.
Trees grow in the forest.
Do flowers grow here?
Цветы здесь растут.
Do flowers grow here?
Flowers don't grow in winter.
Цветы не растут зимой.
Flowers don't grow in winter.
Fire.
Огонь.
Fire.
There is a fire in the fireplace.
В камине огонь.
There is a fire in the fireplace.
Is the fire strong?
Огонь сильный.
Is the fire strong?
There is no fire in the room.
В комнате нет огня.
There is no fire in the room.
Tree.
Дерево.
Tree.
This tree is very tall.
Это дерево очень высокое.
This tree is very tall.
Is that your tree?
То твое дерево.
Is that your tree?
This tree doesn't have flowers.
На этом дереве нет цветов.
This tree doesn't have flowers.
Hot.
Горячий.
Hot.
It is hot today.
Сегодня жарко.
It is hot today.
Is it hot outside?
На улице жарко.
Is it hot outside?
It is not hot in the room.
В комнате не жарко.
It is not hot in the room.
Sun.
Солнце.
Sun.
The sun is bright.
Солнце яркое.
The sun is bright.
Can you see the sun?
Ты видишь солнце?
Can you see the sun?
I can't see the sun now.
Я не вижу солнца сейчас.
I can't see the sun now.
Liver.
Река.
Liver.
They swim in the river.
Они плавают в реке.
They swim in the river.
Is the river long?
Река длинная.
Is the river long?
He doesn't go to the river.
Он не ходит к реке.
He doesn't go to the river.
Island.
Остров.
Island.
We are on an island.
Мы на острове.
We are on an island.
Is this a big island?
Это большой остров.
Is this a big island?
This is not my island.
Это не мой остров.
This is not my island.
Cold.
Холодный.
Cold.
It is cold in December.
В декабре холодно.
It is cold in December.
Is the tea cold?
Чай холодный.
Is the tea cold?
It is not cold today.
Сегодня не холодно.
It is not cold today.
Mountain.
Гора.
Mountain.
I see a big mountain.
Я вижу большую гору.
I see a big mountain.
Is that mountain high?
Та гора высокая.
Is that mountain high?
I don't climb the mountain.
Я не поднимаюсь на гору.
I don't climb the mountain.
Sea.
Море.
Sea.
We go to the sea in summer.
Мы ездим к морю летом.
We go to the sea in summer.
Do you swim in the sea?
Ты плаваешь в море.
Do you swim in the sea?
They don't like the sea.
Им не нравится море.
They don't like the sea.
Wind.
Ветер.
Wind.
The wind is strong today.
Сегодня сильный ветер.
The wind is strong today.
Do you hear the wind?
Ты слышишь ветер?
Do you hear the wind?
There is no wind now.
Сейчас нет ветра.
There is no wind now.
Hill.
Холм.
Hill.
He runs up the hill.
Он бежит вверх по холму.
He runs up the hill.
Is that a big hill?
Это большой холм.
Is that a big hill?
We don't play on the hill.
Мы не играем на холме.
We don't play on the hill.
Blow.
Дуть, уда.
Blow.
The wind blows from the west.
Ветер дует с запада.
The wind blows from the west.
Does the wind blow hard?
Ветер сильно дует.
Does the wind blow hard?
The wind doesn't blow here.
Здесь ветер не дует.
The wind doesn't blow here.
Sky.
Небо.
Sky.
The sky is blue today.
Сегодня небо голубое.
The sky is blue today.
Is the sky clear?
Небо ясное.
Is the sky clear?
The sky isn't dark now.
Сейчас небо не темное.
The sky isn't dark now.
Stone.
Камень.
Stone.
There is a big stone in the garden.
В саду большой камень.
There is a big stone in the garden.
Is this stone heavy?
Этот камень тяжелый.
Is this stone heavy?
That stone is not smooth.
Тот камень не гладкий.
That stone is not smooth.
Warm.
Теплый.
Warm.
It is warm this morning.
Этим утром тепло.
It is warm this morning.
Is it warm outside?
На улице тепло.
Is it warm outside?
It isn't warm in the house.
В доме не тепло.
It isn't warm in the house.
Weather.
Погода.
Weather.
The weather is good today.
Сегодня хорошая погода.
The weather is good today.
Is the weather bad?
Погода плохая.
Is the weather bad?
The weather isn't cold.
Погода не холодная.
The weather isn't cold.
Moon.
Луна.
Moon.
The moon is full tonight.
Сегодня полная луна.
The moon is full tonight.
Can you see the moon?
Ты видишь луну.
Can you see the moon?
I don't see the moon now.
Я не вижу луну сейчас.
I don't see the moon now.
Rain.
Дождь.
Rain.
I like the sound of rain.
Мне нравится звук дождя.
I like the sound of rain.
Does it rain in April?
Идет дождь в апреле.
Does it rain in April?
It doesn't rain today.
Сегодня дождя нет.
It doesn't rain today.
Flower.
Цветок.
Flower.
I have a red flower.
У меня есть красный цветок.
I have a red flower.
Is this flower for me?
Этот цветок для меня.
Is this flower for me?
This flower is not white.
Этот цветок не белый.
This flower is not white.
Cloud.
Облако.
Cloud.
There is a cloud in the sky.
В небе облако.
There is a cloud in the sky.
Is that a dark cloud?
То темное облако.
Is that a dark cloud?
There are no clouds now.
Сейчас нет облаков.
There are no clouds now.
Dry.
Сухой.
Dry.
The clothes are dry now.
Одежда теперь сухая.
The clothes are dry now.
Is the ground dry?
Земля сухая.
Is the ground dry?
The towel isn't dry yet.
Полотенце еще не сухое.
The towel isn't dry yet.
Leaf.
Лист.
Leaf.
This leaf is green.
Этот лист зеленый.
This leaf is green.
Is the leaf yellow?
Лист желтый.
Is the leaf yellow?
This leaf isn't big.
Этот лист небольшой.
This leaf isn't big.
Snow.
Снег.
Snow.
There is snow on the ground.
На земле снег.
There is snow on the ground.
Does it snow often here?
Здесь часто идет снег.
Does it snow often here?
It doesn't snow in summer.
Летом снег не идет.
It doesn't snow in summer.
Grass.
Трава.
Grass.
The grass is soft.
Трава мягкая.
The grass is soft.
Is the grass wet?
Трава мокрая.
Is the grass wet?
The grass isn't long.
Трава не длинная.
The grass isn't long.
Rose.
Роза.
Rose.
This rose is beautiful.
Эта роза красивая.
This rose is beautiful.
Is it a red rosé?
Это красная роза.
Is it a red rosé?
I don't want a white rose.
Я не хочу белую розу.
I don't want a white rose.
Pollution.
Загрязнение.
Pollution.
Air pollution is a big problem.
Загрязнение воздуха – большая проблема.
Air pollution is a big problem.
Is there much pollution here?
Здесь много загрязнения.
Is there much pollution here?
This city doesn't have much pollution.
В этом городе мало загрязнения.
This city doesn't have much pollution.
Sunny.
Солнечный.
Sunny.
It is sunny today.
Сегодня солнечно.
It is sunny today.
Is it always sunny here?
Здесь всегда солнечно.
Is it always sunny here?
It's not sunny this morning.
Этим утром не солнечно.
It's not sunny this morning.
Sunshine.
Солнечный свет.
Sunshine.
I love the sunshine.
Я люблю солнечный свет.
I love the sunshine.
Do you see the sunshine?
Ты видишь солнечный свет.
Do you see the sunshine?
There is no sunshine today.
Сегодня нет солнечного света.
There is no sunshine today.
Lily.
Лилия.
Lily.
This lily is white.
Это лилия белая.
This lily is white.
Is that a pink lily?
Та лилия розовая.
Is that a pink lily?
That flower isn't a lily.
Тот цветок не лилия.
That flower isn't a lily.
Umbrella.
Зонт.
Umbrella.
She takes an umbrella.
Она берет зонт.
She takes an umbrella.
Do you have an umbrella?
У тебя есть зонт?
Do you have an umbrella?
I don't need an umbrella.
Мне не нужен зонт.
I don't need an umbrella.
Snowy.
Снежный.
Snowy.
It is snowy outside.
На улице снежно.
It is snowy outside.
Is it snowy in winter?
Зимой снежно?
Is it snowy in winter?
It isn't snowy now.
Сейчас не снежно.
It isn't snowy now.
Rainy.
Дождливый.
Rainy.
I don't like rainy days.
Мне не нравятся дождливые дни.
I don't like rainy days.
Is it a rainy week?
Это дождливая неделя.
Is it a rainy week?
Today is not rainy.
Сегодня не дождливо.
Today is not rainy.
Cloudy.
Облачный.
Cloudy.
It is cloudy this morning.
Этим утром облачно.
It is cloudy this morning.
Is the sky cloudy?
Небо облачное.
Is the sky cloudy?
It's not cloudy now.
Сейчас не облачно.
It's not cloudy now.
Foggy.
Туманный.
Foggy.
It's foggy on the road.
На дороге туман.
It's foggy on the road.
Is it foggy today?
Сегодня туман.
Is it foggy today?
It isn't foggy here.
Здесь не туман.
It isn't foggy here.